In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your ExpressVPN password. So start by heading over to ExpressVPN's website and here click on My Account. Now here you will be prompted to enter in the email address linked with your ExpressVPN account to sign in, and a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email that you can also use to sign in to your account. At this point, you might not need a password to log into your account, but if prompted to still enter your password, after this screen, you'll see a forgot your password option in the sign in window, and all you have to do is follow all the on screen prompts there in resetting your password. As long as you have an access to your email that is linked to your ExpressVPN account, you don't have to worry about anything because you can easily reset your password. Now, in entering a new password, make sure it's strong and something you haven't used before. And once done, you can now log in again using your new password on all your devices. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!